we are back again mga baluga for another tutorial. So what's up mga baluga? It's your Sir JC. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para lagi ka updated sa ating mga bagong uploads and videos.
jctorial.
At bago po natin simulan yung ating lesson, no? So dahil nakasubscribe na rin po tayo, wag na rin po natin kalimutang i-like, comment, and share yung mga videos po natin para mas marami pa po tayong matulungan. Okay, so for today's topic, ang pag-uusapan po natin ay ang difference of two squares. So ang pattern po ng difference of two squares, we have a squared minus b squared equals the quantity a minus b times the quantity of a plus b. So, bago tayo pumunta dyan sa topic na yun, pag-usapan muna natin yung salitang square. So, mula sa salitang square, yan. So, maglagay tayo ng dimension, 1 times 1 is 1. So, gawin naman natin siyang 2. So, dalawa dito sa kabila, dalawa doon. So, multiply natin para makuha natin yung area. 2 times 2, we have 4, which is correct. So, gawin naman natin 9. Okay, so we have 3. Yung dimension nito, 3. So, ano yung product? It is 9. So, dito pa lang makikita na natin yung pattern. So, meron tayong 1, 4, 9. So, yung 149, perfect square number. Galing siya sa 2, galing siya sa 3 times 3. So, kung titingnan mo dito, meron tayong 1 squared is equal to 1 kasi 1 times 1 is 1. Dito, 2 times 2 or 2 squared is equal to 4 kasi dalawang beses na 2 kaya 2 squared. Next, 3. 3 squared, 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So, yan po kung bakit po nabuo ang square numbers. So, ano-ano pa yung iba't ibang square number? Okay, so simulan natin sa 1. 1 squared is equal to 1. 2 squared, 2 times 2 is 4. 3 squared is equal to 3 times 3, 9. 4 squared is equal to 4 times 4, 16. 5 squared is equal to 5 times 5, 25. 6 squared is equal to 6 times 6, 36. So, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, and so on and so forth. Marami pa po yan. So, ang tawag natin dyan ay square numbers or perfect square numbers. Next, kung kukunin naman natin yung square root, okay, so punta naman tayo sa 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Kung kukunin natin yung square root or yung pinanggalingan niya, we have 1. So the square root of 1 is 1. The square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 9 is 3. The square root of 16, 4. And the square root of 25 is 5. And the square root of 36 is 6. So, ganun po yun. So, example po, what is the square root of 100? It is 10. Okay, kasi 10 times 10. Dapat parehong number. Okay, 10 times 10. What is the square root of 64? It is 8. Kasi 8 times 8. Okay, so ganun din po ang gagamitin natin kapag variable po yung pinag-uusapan natin. Or we have an expression. Let's say, x times x is equal to x squared. X squared times x squared is equal to x raised to the 4th power. X cubed times x cubed is equal to x raised to 9 ba? Hindi. We're going to add. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So 3 plus 3, ang sagot ay 6. So although we are multiplying the variables, but we are adding the exponent. Pinag-add lang natin yung exponent. So ibig sabihin, kapag kukunin naman natin yung kanyang square root, x squared, ano yung square root ng x squared? X. Ano naman yung square root ng x raised to the fourth power? It is x squared. How about x raised to the sixth power? Siya ay x cubed. Kasi nga, 3 plus 3 para maging 6. 2 plus 2 para maging 4. 1 plus 1 para maging 2. Ano naman ito? X raised to the 10th power. We have, okay, so x raised to 5. Kasi nga, 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay. So let's now proceed with the difference of two squares. So napakadali lamang po ng difference of two squares. So para natin malalaman kung kailan natin gagamitin yung difference of two squares, napakasimple lang. Kapag may nakita kayong minus, automatic na yun ay difference kasi nga ang operation is subtraction. Dapat marunong tayong tumingin kung perfect square number ba siya or hindi. Let's have example number 1. X squared minus 36. Okay, so ito ba ay perfect square number? Yes, 36. Saan galing ang 36? 6 times 6 or 6 squared. Okay, so kung titingnan natin yan, difference of two squares, dahil perfect square number naman to, so yung isa minus, yung isa plus. Sir, pwede po ba magkabaliktad? Dito yung plus, dito yung minus. Okay lang. Okay? So, ngayon, kukunin natin yung square root. Ano yung square root ng x squared? Saan galing yon? X times x. Kasi nga, x times x, x squared. Saan naman galing yung 36? 6 times 6. So, ibig sabihin, parehas sila dito, parehas din dito, kaya lang yung isa minus, yung isa plus. Ganun po ang difference of two squares. Parehas lang yung makikita mong numbers or expression, pero yung isa minus, yung isa plus. Okay. Another example. X squared minus 81. Perfect square number, tama? Okay. So yung 81 is a perfect square number. Saan galing yung 81? 9 squared. Okay, correct. So ibig sabihin 9 times 9. So ganun pa din. Saan galing yung x squared? X. So yung isa minus, yung isa plus. So we have 81, 9 times 9. So we have x minus 9 times x plus 9. Example number 3. Paano naman pag ganito? 9x squared minus 25. So perfect square itong 9x squared. Perfect square din itong 25. So saan galing yung 9x squared at 25? Ulitin natin. We have minus. So yung pattern natin, yung isa minus, yung isa plus. Or pwede rin baliktad o gamitin natin baliktad. Okay lang yan kahit magkabaliktad. So saan galing yung 9? 3 times 3. Yung x squared. X times x. So saan naman galing yung 25? 5 times 5. Ganun lamang po kasimple. Next, 4x squared minus 9y squared. Okay, so paano pag ganito? Perfect square number? Yes. Perfect square number? Yes. So we have minus and plus. Okay, saan galing yung 4? 2 times 2. Yung x squared, x times x. Yung 9, 3 times 3. How about y squared, y times y. Okay po? Last example, we have, so paano pag ganito? Okay, 36x raised to the fourth power minus 49y squared. So perfect square number yung 36, perfect square number yung 49. How about x raised to the fourth power? Perfect square pa rin yun. Okay. So 36 galing siya sa 6 times 6. Yung x raised to the fourth power, okay, x squared. Okay, kasi nga 2 plus 2 is 4. Remember, yung exponent, pinagpa-plus lang natin. Okay? So yung isa minus, yung isa plus. Next, 49. Saan siya galing? 7 squared. 7 times 7. So yung y squared, y times y. Okay po? Okay, so bibigyan ko kayo ulit ng exercises. Kumuha ng papel, sagutan nyo muna ito. Then, i-pause nyo muna habang sinasagutan ninyo. Then, balikan nyo na lang ulit itong video kapag i-check nyo na yung ating sagot. Okay, do it now. Okay, so ang ating sagot, x squared minus 100, perfect square. So yung isa, minus, yung isa, plus. So kahit magkabaliktad to, okay lang. Dito yung plus, dito yung minus, okay lang. Next, saan galing yung x squared? X times x. Saan galing yung 100? 10 squared, so 10 times 10. So the factors are x minus 10 times x plus 10. Next. Number 2, 9x squared minus 64. Yung isa minus, yung isa plus. Saan galing yung 9? 3 times 3 or 3 squared. So x squared, x times x. Saan galing yung 64? 8 times 8 or 8 squared. So, 8 times 8. Next, x raised to the 6th power minus 121y squared. So, saan galing yung x raised to the 6th power? X cube. Okay, kasi nga pinag-a-add lang natin yung ating exponent. X cube times x cube, pero i-add natin yung exponent. 3 plus 3 is 6. Next, yung isa minus, yung isa plus. So, 121y squared. Saan galing 121? 11 times 11. Okay, so yung y squared, y. So, the factors are x cubed minus 11y times x cubed plus 11y. So, yun po ang paraan kung paano po ginagawa ang factoring ng difference of two squares. At sana marami po kayong natutunan sa ating video ngayong araw na ito. At kung meron po kayong gustong matutunan na topic at gusto nyo pong ituro ko po dito, mag-iwan na lang po kayo ng comment dyan sa comment section para po mabasa po natin at magawa po natin ng future videos natin. Thank you for watching! So hanggang sa muli, paalam!